Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, this is your 7th day to receive your 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Squilag tarong. Okay, amping sa biyahe. Okay, sige na. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, this is your pila kadlaw na? Oh. So, this is your 8 days to receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Squilag tarong. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kenshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, this is your 9 days. 9 days na ron. That you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida, Chocominim. Bye-bye. Amping. Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kenshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, this is your 10 days. 10 days na rin ko. Ika-10 na rin mo. 10 days that you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Sa'yo na lagi karon. Asa man imong polo.
Ay, pagarkwao.
Next time magsuot na kag polo kay kanahon na siya ikuan nga kuan. Ha? Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, wow. Ano ba? Uniform. Good. May school shoes. Ano ba? So, today was your 11th day to receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Ano ba? Mag-uniform gina dito, ha? Ayo, sige ka. Tarungay mong button. Sige, bye-bye, Kenshin. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kenshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, today, ikapila naman.
Well,
Okay. 12 days that you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, ikapila na ni?
13.
Okay, ika-13. So, here, your 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
So, ikapila na ron?
14.
Okay, 14 days. So, kadon, ika-14 days that you will receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jandy and Romelin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, Romelin, how are you? Kumusta man ka?
Okay lang.
You still studying? Okay, study hard, ha? Okay, earlier, Kuya Rex delivered 1 box each ramen. You and also 4,000 pesos each for your allowance. Okay, count. How much? 4,000. Okay, and this is given by.
Amagetonim.
Okay.
Amagetonim. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, study hard, Romelina. Even though you're not studying in study room, you still have donation. Okay, you must study hard. And also Jandy, no? Okay, fighting. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Ang pagsalig kay kanang paghatag na o kanang confident o faith o hope basta mo sa kakinsa or sa usa ka butak. There are many ways to show trust. Na idaghan paagi para mapakita ang pagsalig. Helen trusted her friends. Kanang naisalig si Helen sa iyang friends. She didn't keep secret from them. Di siya magtago og secret ni sila.
Mm.
She shared her things with her friends. Kung kanang magpahulam siya or kanang muhatag siya sa of something or things sa iyang friends. She knew they would do the right thing and not betray herself. Kabalo siya nga kanang maayo iyang buhat o wala siya nag-betray. He tried hard to be the way. Nagpugi siya, nagpugi siya para mahimong kanang daan. And Helen was trustworthy. Tapos makasaligan si Helen. Or, apilo ni siya.
Mm.
Nick let his friends borrow his stuff all the time. Si Nick sa kay iyang permi pahulmong iyang mga amigo o sa iyang mga butang permi. He didn't even remember who had what. O siya kahinudong who had what. Or kung kinsa may nanghulam. Whenever he needed something back, whenever na siya'y kinahanglunon balik,
Tarong early.
he just asked all of his friends who had his game or his book. Iyang kanang pangutanon, tanan niyang mga amigo or amiga, kung kinsang nagkukot sa iyang game o book. They always give it back. Ilang permi ibalik. Because they like how nicely he shared. Kay ganahan sila, kung sa kabukutan o kanindot siya nga mo kahula. He could always borrow his friends' games and book. O makahulan po siya permi sa mga games o book sa iyang friend. Nick trusted his friend. Iyan trusting na siya pagsabi sa iyang mga friend.
안녕하세요, Jaira.
안녕하세요.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 5학년 자유라입니다.
Are you done with your assignment?
Yes.
Sa ganito yung mga assignment? 30 times.
30 times multiplication.
Hama na ka? Did you practice? Okay, ready na ka? Okay, let's start. 86,
48,
97,
63,
84,
32,
74,
28,
83,
24,
98,
72,
79,
63,
64,
24,
84,
32,
93,
27,
86.
48.
Okay, very good, Jaira. You pass your multiplication retest. Okay, next time, you have to practice again, okay? Para dili ka makalimot. Practice and practice. Nasabtan, Jaira?
Oh.
Okay, good job, Jaira. Congratulations. Bye!